All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about this stock right here because the next breakout could be very violent, meaning that it can break out and go extremely high that many people aren't expecting. So I wanted to come in and speak to you all about why I think this stock is due to go higher. Now, before I break all of this down, if you appreciate my videos and content, before you head out, make sure you guys show your support, like the video, share, subscribe to my channel as we continue to give you all stocks that we feel has the propensity, the probability to go up in price. So let's break this down. Now for me, I try to make it as simple as possible. I don't try to come in and confuse people and tell you that this stock is so complex and analytical and show you the earnings and give you the fundamentals and talk about technical analysis. No, I pay attention to what people have already done, because they are the ones who are anticipating a stock to react. Everyone who comes in and purchases a stock, they're looking for the stock to do something, either to go up or to go down. And the moment that they come in and hit that buy or sell, enter their position, we can see it off of the price chart. And when the scale is tipped in favor of the buyers or sellers, gives us an idea as to where the market is trying to go. This stock is giving it that same idea. And let's talk about it, because when people come in and put money in with volume, they cannot hide the footprints. So for instance, this area right here for National Bank Holdings Corporation, the ticker symbol is NBHC. There's somebody in this market that when price comes to $40, 41 bucks, they begin to buy. Look at the stock, look at the price bars. They're not falling whenever the market comes to that pocket. Someone is buying. Look at this. When the market in NBHC or National Bank Holdings come up to this particular area, what happens? The market reacts. Now you can see that over the last couple of trading days, this market has just been moving in between that channel. So that's why I'm creating this video, because if this stock breaks above this sell pocket, the breakout could be pretty big. Now, let's look at the market here on the 2-day chart. We're just trying to see if this market is bullish or if it's bearish. You guys can currently see on this 2-day bar, it is looking pretty bearish. Just like this 2-day price bar, when the market was in this vicinity of price, it began to sell off. Those sellers are still here. Now, in the next 4 hours and 28 minutes, if it closes up here at the high of the bar, that's even more indication that the buyers are absorbing the sellers. They want the market to go up. Take a look at this stock on the 3. 4 hours, 28 minutes left. The market still looks pretty bullish. It looked like the buyers wanted a little bit more than the sellers. Now, I'm not trying to negate that the sellers aren't here, because they are. But the buyers are showing off of this price chart that they want the market control more than the sellers. Here it is on the 4-day chart. Okay, take a look at this stock on the 5. Here's the stock on the weekly time frame. This is where I'm looking for the market to give us that breakout. It's because when you look at the history of this chart, sellers came into the market right here on this weekly price bar, but they did not get the result that they wanted, because the next week the market went right back up. Same thing on this weekly price bar. The sellers took control of the price on the prior week, brought the market down. Buyers came back into the market, and the market wants to go up. Why do I know that? Because the price on this weekly price bar closed at the high of the bar. People always speak when it comes to price bars. It's a language. Where the market closes, where does it open? How does the bar relate to the prior bars? It all gives you what you want to see. Look at this on the 2 weeks. It is just waiting for this breakout. There's someone going all the way back to February 2025 that initially began this sell-off in this stock right there. 2025. These people who were selling then are still selling now. Even in the beginning of this year, 2026, price came here, market sold off. Price came here a third time, it's trying to sell off again. You want to see this market break this sell pocket, and we can definitely see the market move a lot higher to where it's ultimately trying to go. So now let me move this out the way, because I think we need to mark where these other sellers could be as we anticipate this stock trying to go up. Okay. So I think we might just target these areas here. Okay, so now let's look at the stock on the 750-minute chart real quick. Just trying to see if the buyers are still present. They are on 750. Here it is on the 330. It's a pretty good war going on between the market off the seller and the buy side on the 330, but look like the buyers are currently winning. Okay. So let's go ahead and put on a prediction of where we suspect that this stock is trying to go. And we're going to target this first sell pocket, obviously, because we know that sellers are already there. That will give us 1.84 to like 2.65%. We're going to look for our next target up here to 44.25, all the way up there to 44.90. That is 6.12% there. And then our third target would be up here around 46.25 or 46.20, 9.19% there. And that's it. So now we just need to see this market continue to give us that strength. We really want to see the market break this first sell pocket, because if it does, then I think the next two sell pockets are feasible for the market buyer to try to run and tag. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.